In this tutorial I want to show you how to get the great ELEKK in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King for the Draeneis, and also if you're not a Draenei, this will help a lot. So I'm talking about this pet, the grey ELEKK and the great blue ELEKK, or whatever color you want to choose. I forgot to mention, if you are Draenei, you can automatically buy and purchase this mount and also train. But if you're not a Draenei, if you're not exalted with the Draeneis, you can't ride them. If you press U on your keyboard, U as an umbrella, you will open the reputation tab, and you'll find here at Alliance. Here, let me see, Exodar. You have to get actually exalted with Exodar, not honored. Basically, you will have to reach the maximum amount of honor with Exodar. Once you reach reversed, you'll be able to purchase it, otherwise you can buy it. And to get points for that, you'll have to come here at the Draeneis spawn point and do quests, low level quests, because by doing quests you'll as well earn honor points. So you have to get right here, you'll have to speak with this lady to teach you the, let me show, already known, to teach you the riding skills, because otherwise without it you can't ride it. The level 21 cost almost 4 gold and the level 41 costs 45 gold to ride the faster ones, and this guy will sell you the ELEKKs, almost 1 gold for the cheaper one and 9 gold for the faster one. And we're located right here near Exodar at the entrance, and to be more specific, right here at the Othermost Islands, right here on the entrance. So I hope this guide will help you out, and thanks a lot for watching.